So you watching this video, you are a trader or an investor. You know what is the biggest problem you will face? Is that society will never treat you with respect. And I have faced this for a society, an investor or a trader. If you tell someone that hi, I'm an investor or full-time trader, they think, what do they think? They think कि या तो आपको नौकरी नहीं मिली or you're not good enough to get a job. So how do you deal with this? Today I'm going to tell you exactly that. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. Now I remember when I started investing in stock markets, no, I really faced this challenge. Why? Because सबसे पहले I didn't go to college, right? दूसरा I was into stock markets. So for me to go out to family get-togethers again, it can be formal events, can be informal events, it can be for you, it can be events for your family, your friends, or it can be for your bosses, your colleagues, कुछ भी होता है. I was so uncomfortable in going to these events because first I had an insecurity within me that I am not going to college. तो मुझे लगता था यार लोग पूछेंगे if I can't say any good college and so they will think low of me, and again I didn't have any confidence. ठीक है. अब दूसरा ये था the problem I faced that nobody respects stock markets investors. Just imagine I used to tell people I am from correspondence, I have not gone to college and I am a stock market investor. People used to think that कुछ काम नहीं मिला इसको कुछ नहीं आया, right? And I'm sure you must be facing the same problem. So what I have learned, I am going to tell you today. I am going to tell you how to walk into a party and you become the center of that party. You become that main attraction, right? A lot of people tell me in my webinars that Harsh, you have great personality. A lot of you put that in your comments, which I'm very thankful for. Thank you so much for thinking so highly of me, right? And these are some tips and some tricks which I have gathered to be sure that, my friend, you are always the center of the party, which will allow you to network. It will allow you to have a good time and be more confident. That's it. Simple. अब जैसे मैं आपको बहुत सिंपल सिचुएशन बता रहा हूँ. Again, I'm not talking about directly stock markets. I'm talking about on overall personality basis. I know we always talk about stock markets here, but these personality traits are also important for investor trader because these issues you will face. Right? It's not only the maths will trouble you or the fundamentals or technical analysis. This will also trouble you, and I'm going to solve this issue for you today. How to be the center of the party when you walk into a party, be it formal or informal. Take up. You need to realize that whenever you come out from a party, na, or a get-together. When I say party, get-together, I mean same thing. Whenever you come out from a get-together, there is an invisible list. And you know who is where in that invisible list. The most important person will be the above. Then people will be in the middle and people will be in the last. Everyone knows there is an invisible list. एक invisible list होती है एक room में जो rate करती है people को on their importance. Everyone knows that there is an invisible list, but nobody acknowledges it, right? And when I used to come out, I used to find that on that invisible list, I was always at the very bottom of it. I used to feel coming out from a get together that Harsh, I'm the most useless person. अब होता क्या था, इस वजह से I didn't used to go to get togethers, I didn't used to go to events. Why? Because I used to hate it. और मैं क्या बोलता था, I used to assume, अरे उनको क्या आता है, how, क्या फायदा जाके, they don't know anything, this person is that, because I was already insecure, because nobody was giving any kind of respect or ounce of respect for me as a trader or investor in stock markets. And even more so when I have not gone to college, right? So I used to be self-defensive. अरे उनको क्या आता है, why the hell should I go with them, and why the hell should I go with him, he doesn't know anything. And maybe a lot, you might not like to go to your family events and you must be blaming, अरे who are they don't know anything, they have not done anything, right? Does this happen to you? I know it does, right? Because it's a human basic tendency. Now I'm going to tell you how to rank top at that invisible list. If not the top, at least the top half of it. ठीक? अब these are some few tips and tricks which will very useful to you. ठीक है, और ये मैं बहुत मुश्किल सीखा हूँ, which I'm going to share it with you today. Tip number 1. Guys are stupid. Tip number 1 है that guys are stupid. मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? I remember जब I was 23 or 24 and I wanted to train in a college, right? So at that time, I remember my Delhi University, I trained in a lot of colleges. So I used to go and spread financial literacy because I was at their age, I was 22, 23, and I wanted to tell them things for free. That why should you invest and why should you save, वही सब. And you following this channel, if you have been following me, you know what we do. अब उस समय हुआ क्या था? I remember we were sitting in front of this gentleman in this college. I can't name that college. I don't want to name that college because why to publicly shame anything. So this gentleman was sitting, and I came and sat in the room, and I told him that our appointment was fixed. ठीक है? तो फिर हुआ था कि he was supposed to interview me. अब he was busy, he was reading notes, right? And हमारे देश में क्या है? We have a grey hair syndrome. What is the grey hair syndrome? Wherein if you don't have white hair, अगर आपके सफ़ेद बाल नहीं, if you don't have grey hair, you don't know anything about finance, right? So जो बोलते क्या थे कि if they are not white hair, they are not aged, they don't know anything about finance. So automatically वो जो आदमी मुझे देख रहा था, who was just sitting reading his notes, he felt that इसको आता क्या है? ये तो बच्चा है. What does he know? He's a kid, right? So he already had that bias. So he was reading. So I asked him, sir, this is what I want to do in this college, and I'm not charging anything. This is what I want to spread. I want to spread the word of financial literacy that people should invest. Simple. So he asked me, अच्छा, what have you done till now? So I told him, sir, these many interactive sessions we have done, and I have trained this many people in these many colleges. So I want a chance in your college. He said, अच्छा, then Harsh, if you've done so many training, if you learned so much, then tell me this, what do all young guys want? What do all young guys want? You know what I told him? Sir, all young guys want attention of young girls. It's a fact hai, right? Then he smiled a little. Then he asked me, okay, tell me what all young girls want. तो मैंने बोला, sir, all young girls, they want attention of other young girls. जो fact है, right? So the point number one, I feel that was the reason जिसके वजह से I think his barriers broke because that joke, and I think that worked, and Tab actually got to train in that college, right? Now, the point number one, guys are stupid. Why? Because guys don't observe anything. Girls observe everything. If you're in a party or in your get together, if you ask a lady, if you ask a girl, they will observe everything from the moment you enter. What is your demeanor? How are you dressed? How confident are you? How do you speak? They observe everything. Us guys, unfortunately, we don't. And if you're a guy, you do. I don't. Right? So, you know what's the best solution? When you enter into a party and you want to be in the top of that invisible list, सबसे पहला, आते ही, as you enter a get together, go and talk to a group of girls. Go and talk to a group of ladies. Go and talk to a group of girls. And if you know someone there, excellent. You can strike a conversation with them. So suppose if Pooja is some girl in that group. आप उनके पास जाओ and say, hi Pooja, how are you? Strike a conversation. And I'm telling you, once you do that, everyone in the room will notice you. Automatically you become alpha. I'm telling you my key secrets here. And even if you don't know them, just go to them and say, hi ladies, hi girls, how are you? My name is Harsh Koila and this. How about you? Simple. Once you do this, you are here. Automatically. Forget the girls, even guys will start noticing you. Arey yaar, ye kaun hai? Who was he who talked to this gentleman? Right? And a tip on this tip is that don't use this tip when you're with your wife. Because I have done that and it does not give you good returns at all. Right? So, आप समझ रहे हो, there's a very thin line between just flirting and just wanting to communicate. I want you to communicate. I'm not talking about flirting by any means, right? I want you to be in the top half of that list. And again, all the points I'm telling are assuming that you know how to dress, you are dressed properly, and you are dressed to the occasion. Okay? It's because your visual matters. I'm only talking about your intellectual. Okay? जो मुझे बहुत help किया. Second situation is that, let me read my points. ठीक है. A second situation क्या होता था, when I used to go to a party, and again because I had my insecurities, I went to stock markets and I didn't go to college, so I always had the problem that I could never talk to people, I could never say hi, I am this. So, another tip number 2, approach the host. Now think about this. The host, if you hosted a party, host is already busy because he's catering to so many guests. He has to go to cater to every guest. He has to make sure that her guest ne khana khaya. He has to make sure that every guest is happy, they're having a good time, right? You go to the host and you tell the host that, let's say Aditya is the host. So I'll go to Aditya and say, Aditya, hi, it's great to be here. Can you introduce me to someone in this party? Can you introduce me to people? And the host will be most happy to do so. Why? Because you are helping him. You are helping his burden. So the host will come and say, hi, Aditya will come, they'll say, hi, gentlemen, meet Harsh, this is Harsh, and Harsh does this. And when the host is introducing you, automatically you're the alpha. आप समझ रहे हो? Automatically you've got that game done. And you don't need the headache of introducing yourself first. You don't need to have that scare, जो मुझ में था at least, right? And you are helping the host as well. So, tip number 2. Now, tip number 3 is that to participate. Now, मैं क्या करता था पहले I used to be very shy. Again, because of my insecurity, I used to be very shy. I used to go to a शादी, I used to just sip chai, coffee side में बैठ के I used to drink and I used to hello, hi, namaste, one-liner answers. Try to do awkward smiles. ऐसी वाली. And yeah, तो बस ऐसे करके वापस. And I used to hate dancing because I have 2 left feet. I cannot dance. Right? But the tip number 3 is that you have to participate. What I realized that why does the host call you? If suppose the host is calling you to his wedding, ठीक है, शादी हो रही है and you've been invited. So do you think the host wants you to eat his food? Do you think the host is calling you to because you're his family relative? No. The host is calling you so that आप एक माहौल जमाओ. आप समझ रहे हो? You create that environment. You feel happy for the host and celebrate with him. He wants you to celebrate with him. So इसलिए if you go to a party and if you leave too early, what will the host say? No, you can't go right now. No, you can't go. Why? Because the host doesn't want a gift from you. The host doesn't want you to just eat food and go. The host wants you to celebrate with him. So participate. If there's a dance event, be the first person to go and dance. No matter how stupid you dance, trust me, I'm the worst at dancing. If you don't believe me, ask my wife. I am the worst at dancing. But be the first one to do that. If suppose आप किसी के संगीत में जा रहे हो ना, people are always, generally what I've seen, are awkward that I don't want to dance. You be the first one to say that I want to dance, I want to participate. Just participate. Once you do this, automatically you seem super confident. And you know, if you don't dance well at all and still you go on the stage and you dance, that shows the people how confident you are. And that is the difference between an alpha and a normal person. That is the difference between on that invisible list between the people who are on the top or on the bottom. People who are on the bottom on that invisible list, they don't participate. They just shy away. They're very formal. Don't be that way. Again, according to the need. So participate in what if it's a celebration event or if it's a company celebration event, any celebration event, participate yourself completely into it. Help the host to do it. Right? Tip number 3. Now in a situation when you're participating, now you're talking to people. Best situation, talk about current topics. So talk about stock markets. Stock markets, because we are investors, we are so lucky that stock market is the best topic. Everyone loves stock markets. Everyone wants to talk about stock market. Everyone thinks stock market is a gamble, that is there, but everyone still likes talking about stock market. Yahan to you're alpha. You are already the alpha here because you follow my channel and you follow Gola School of Finance. So you're already the alpha, my friend. Right? Talk about stock markets. And stock markets, again, the discussions can get very brutal because ho sakta hai, if you're talking to an elder person or a younger person, their opinions will be very opinionated. No, this is that way, this is that way. No, this is opportunity for you first to strike a conversation. Second, my friend, to understand what they feel. Because behavioral finance mein what other people do, that really matters, right? And so talk about stock markets. Don't be judgmental. Don't fight. Don't be there to prove your point. Ki no, I am right in stock markets. I have done that. Trust me, it does not work. It will only bring you pain and you will only get irritated with people, right? Because if, to be honest, I would feel that pehle I was close-minded. I was close-minded before because I was so opinionated earlier that what I'm thinking is right, which is wrong. So if you're discussing stock market with someone and you're saying that what you're thinking is the only thing right thing, then it's wrong. So it's a good thing. So current topics, stock markets, you are a champ, you're already an alpha. And this was the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth point. The fifth point is humor. Those, you need to be funny, you need to have humorous lines. So have you just rewind the session and watch how many humorous lines I have cracked. And I keep doing that. Again, on a YouTube video, it gets a little difficult because obviously I don't get response from that camera. But if you have attended my session, if you have attended my webinar, then if you have attended any of my BSc session, any session, you know it, I crack a lot of jokes, right? Why is that? Because humor is the best form of communication. Humor is the best form of communication. The only reason you are listening to this video for so long, आप इतना सुन इसलिए रहे हो, because I crack those small humorous anecdotes. और वो humor बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर कोई आदमी funny होगा ना, आप उससे ऐसे connect कर जाओगे. अगर वो funny नहीं होगा, you will not connect to him. ठीक, this is how our brains are wired to be. Now, बहुत टाइप के jokes होते हैं. मतलब humor is of various kinds. There's self-deprecating humor, there's sleek humor. बहुत किस्म के humor होते हैं. You YouTube it, the types of humor, you will find it. Some humor is making fun of someone else. Some humor is making some fun of the situation. Some humor is making fun of yourself. Different types. Now, what I prefer, I do self-deprecating humor. तो आपने देखा होगा, I crack a lot of jokes on myself. What is self-deprecating humor? When you crack jokes on yourself. And how did I learn this? Because I saw that I watch a lot of interviews. I'm a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan interviews, right? So if you see Shah Rukh Khan, if you watch him in interviews, he's always making fun of himself. Always he's making fun of himself. Warren Buffett does the same thing. Bill Gates does the same thing. I've seen the thing, even Amir Khan does the same thing. And this is some of the Chris Pratt, right? Some of the biggest Hollywood and Bollywood stars and the biggest achievers in the world, they use self-deprecating humor. They make fun of themselves. And I do the same thing. Advantage kya hai? Nobody can get offended, right? And ultimately, if people are laughing on your expense, it's okay, right? मेरे हिसाब से it's worth it. Right? So it's a very smart humor, you underplay yourself, and it works for you. So this works for me. Now, what type of humor works for you? You will have to discover. जैसे मैं आपको बताऊँ, for me to discover what humor works for me, मुझे बहुत difficulty से जाना पड़ा. I have to face a lot of difficulties. So I remember whenever I go on stage, or webinars, so I try to crack different jokes on a consistent basis. I try different genres of humor because I want to explore things how much I can go. ठीक है? Because humor is a very powerful skill to network. अब मुझे एक बार याद है, somebody introduced me, and so this lady, so she came and she introduced me. This is Harsh Koila and tuck. So I remember she was asking me, sir, can you give me your introduction before the show? So I told her that these are the points and you can just take from my LinkedIn profile and you can introduce me. So that lady, that MC, उसने पूरा LinkedIn profile पढ़ दिया. That Harsh Koila is this, the entire LinkedIn profile. So when I came on stage, I said, thank you so much, and this is how you read a LinkedIn profile. I meant it as a joke, but ये joke नहीं land किया. This joke did not work, right? The MC got offended, and people thought I was completely arrogant. The entire panelist section and everyone in the audience thought कि मैं हर्ष ये मतलब automatically हो गया, this guy is arrogant. Because आपने भी सुना होगा statement. तो मेरा intention वो नहीं था. I didn't intend to make fun of the host by telling her that this is how you read the LinkedIn profile, but I just want to make a joke out of it. I could not pull it through, right? So it's okay because I experimented. Same, you have to experiment. These kind of jokes don't suit me. But the jokes that suit me are self-deprecating humor. So that suits me. So you can try that. So what you need to do, you need to try different styles of humor, right? जैसे अगर आप देखते हो, I don't know, if you watch John L. Oliver, the last week Tonight Show, fantastic. If you see Patriot Act, Hasan Minhaj, fantastic. The sleek humor they kind of do, right? So ये सब बहुत मैटर करता है, right? And especially in stock markets, right? Because when you're in stock markets, आपको impromptu skills तो आएंगी ही आएंगी. But to get that edge, to network to people, because if you don't share, if you don't grow, you will never be able to grow as a person, right? So this is why it's so important, especially for stock market investors and traders, because we unfortunately get no respect in the Indian society. Hopefully in the future it improves. So these were my points on how to become the alpha in any party, how to become the center of attraction, right? That is what I'm telling you. All the points I'm telling you again, all these points are considering if you're dressed properly. I have not talked about your physical appearance. That matters a lot. I'm only talking about how you talk. सबसे पहला point, talk to girls. बहुत ज़रूरी है. Second, tell the host to introduce you. Third, participate in the celebrations. Fourth, talk about stock markets, talk about the current topic in stock markets. That's always a hit with people. And third, try humor, try different kinds of humor, right? So that was it. I made this video because I feel a lot of one of my mentors actually came this to me, asked me that, sir, stock markets मेरे को इज्जत नहीं देता, nobody cares If I tell anyone that I'm a stock market investor, no one cares. If my cousin tells someone that I am an engineer in this job, and if I tell I'm a stock market investor, people automatically turn their face away from me, right? But what my mentor said. That is why I said this video is essential for stock market investors and traders, so that, my friend, you can be the center attraction of each and every get together. Right? Till then, it was great to see you. Subscribe to the channel, like to the channel if you like such kind of comments, and each comment karo the situations you have faced. Right? That was it for today. Thank you so much. This is Golak School of Finance, financially empowering you.